Oh my lord. Yo, yeah man, they look good, dude.
Oh, those look real good.
They look, holy. What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. And today's an exciting video. We are going to drop off my CE28Ns. They're Volk wheels, if you guys don't know that code. We're going to drop them off to get them powder coated. So it's going to be a bit of an interesting video. It's going to be a two-part video. We're going to record, you know, loading the wheels, doing all that, going to the place and dropping them off, and then the second half of the video will be when they're done and we'll pick them up, mount some tires, and then put them on the EP3 Type R. They're going to look so good. You guys aren't even... You don't even know. It's gonna look so good, and I'm really excited for it, and I hope you guys are too. Comment down below what color you guys think it's gonna be, and yeah, it should be interesting. It's gonna look really good on the car. I'm super excited to get it done. And before we get into the video, make sure you guys pick up some stickers. I got 3 sets of stickers. I have a crest, a do it once, do it right crest, which looks badass on all cars, as you guys saw in a few of my videos. I have a 8th gen cartoon version of my old 8th gen build, and that's just limited time. Whatever I have, and I won't be making any more of those. And then I have the 10th gen Civic, so they're $5 each shipped. And if you want to grab all 3 and support your boy, that'd be awesome. If you want, DM me on my Instagram's right here. DM me, and then I'll get all your shipping info, PayPal, and all that fun stuff. But let's get into the video. I gotta empty out the 10th gen because I've been fishing. I have a whole bunch of stuff in there, and then we're gonna put in the wheels and go drop them off. So some of you are saying these were fake. I promise you they're not. They are extremely light, like super light. These are gonna look so good on the EP3, and yeah, let's get it. So that was a success. We dropped them off. We're gonna get the color that we were talking about over there. We're gonna achieve this color, and hopefully they can get what I'm envisioning. It's nothing too crazy, but it's gonna look really good on the white. But yeah, I'm super excited. Then I think I might get the works done, and I need a few other things done. So hopefully we can build a partnership here, and we can get some really good stuff out. Yeah, I'm super excited for you guys. Like, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks. That's why I said it's gonna be a 2-part series. But yeah, awesome. I'm super hot, like I'm really happy, guys. I'm like so happy about the build, and I hope you guys are excited too. But yeah, it's gonna be so, like, I already have a few parts and we're gonna be shooting soon, but I'm still working on the 10th gen. I still have parts at home for the 10th gen also, so don't you forget about that. And yeah, the car is looking hella good. We got the summer tire set up on there, or summer wheels, and now all I really need is to get proper tires, and maybe we're gonna mess with the fitment a little bit this year too. Since we're on the wheel and tire subject, I kind of want to bring these out a little bit, might space them just a bit and get a meteor tire and really work on those fitments so we can get what I'm kind of like looking to get. But yeah, car's looking really good. It's definitely needing either Brembos, or it needs me to get that painted. The front end is still a little damaged, and we're still waiting to get that painted also. Just a lot on the go. But yeah, what do you guys think? What are your thoughts? Summer wheel setup are back, and it looks hella nice. I love it. We're just gonna end this here. I'm gonna get the wheels in a couple of weeks. I thought it might have been cool if, you know, you guys saw a little before and after, just not be me being like, oh, here's the wheels, they're mounted. At least you guys got to see a little bit before. We didn't get any pulls, it's raining, and then I had a cop on my tail most of the time coming home, so can't do that, you know. So see you guys in the next clip, and I hope you enjoy it. What's up, you cool cats and kittens? Carol Baskin here, and we're back to you with the second episode, or second part of getting my wheels powder coated. And so we've picked up the wheels for the EP3 Type R. They look so good. You guys got to comment down below and maybe guess what color they are. I'm gonna show you them any second right now. Remember, these are the wheels I picked up, $500 Volk CE 28 ends, 17 by 8 plus 50. So guess the color down below. And here we are. Holy jeez, man, they look so good. Check it out. We got the raised little valve cap here. So we went with the bronze, obviously. I think this is gonna complement the white on the EP3 really, really well. Let's mount these up. We're gonna pull the EP3 out. We're gonna check it out. We got the 10th here, EP3 over there. Gotta move some cars. What do you think, good sir?
It looks good. It'll look good.
Let's go. Let's mount these and let's get ready to go. So the Type R wheels are up for sale. I don't need them. I have one current buyer at the moment, and if he doesn't go through with it, these will be up for sale, local only, and authentic EP3 Type R rims. Went from this to that. So before we actually put them on, I'm gonna show you guys what the plan is here. So we have some DC5 BBKs that are gonna go on the car eventually. And these are the lug nuts that are going. They're like the burnt tip type of lug nuts, kind of titanium looking. And kind of complement this and what we're going on within the bay. Just want to show you guys this. Now we're gonna mount the tires and the wheels, and I'm gonna show you how it all looks on the car. Oh my lord. Yo, yeah man, they look good, dude.
Oh, those look real good.
They look, holy. Honestly, it looks better than I thought it would. Maybe can adjust the suspension a bit in the rear, you know what I mean? Just a little bit here, drop it a bit. Look at this, boys. Volk CE, and girls. Volk C28Ns. They look really, really good. I'm super happy with them. I have to get used to lug nuts sticking out a little further. I'm used to smaller ones, and we need some center caps. So just gonna work with it a little bit. We gotta adjust the suspension, get this thing a little lower. But my God, it definitely does look good. The front, we have the BBK to put in, the big brake kit. But Jesus, I'm loving how it's looking. Yeah. We got mods to do, buddy. We got mods to do. But yo, it came out so good. The front looks pretty good. We have a little bit of camber in the front, as you guys can see, just a bit. For all you guys wondering, once again, 17 by 8 plus 50. We can even probably space a little bit in the front since we have the extended studs. The rear, I think, is sitting pretty much perfect. There is an 8mm spacer all around currently, if you guys are wondering. But yo, I'm super happy with it. This is the first like real mod, I guess I would say, I've done on the car. I've been fixing little things, but it just looks so good. We got a lip to put in. If you guys haven't seen that, I gotta get my lip painted, bumper painted. Bomb. I can't wait till that big brake kit is in. I think it's gonna like really set off these wheels with the dark blue. This guy wants to put the visors in hard. Damn. Brain up just a little bit so you guys can get some better looks at it too. So I have a visor to it and Alex is dying to put it on. I like the visor. Down below, let us know. You guys like the visor or without a visor? I'm gonna put them on regardless. But that's gonna be a separate video with other mods. But
Come on.
it adds a little beefiness to the car, definitely.
Yeah, man, I like it. No separate video. It's going on goddamn now, buddy.
There you go, see? You guys are getting a two-in-one. A two-in-one, I said. A two-in-one. I know, just a visor.
You're gonna get a team on well, right?
You gotta get a team in well to all my Portuguese brothers and sisters. The visor is on. Now we can actually have two views. Look at that. Yeah, the visor beefs it up. This guy's been dying to put it on. I've had these visors in the back of the garage for maybe a month now. Ooh, it does beef it up. It does. It does.
Yeah.
It gives the car a little. I gotta get used to it. I was so used to it without it. Now I gotta get used to it with it. Jesus Christ, guys. I know I've been mumbling, but these just look so good, man. Once I have the big brake kit there, it's gonna look mint. It's gonna pull all together the colors. Stay tuned. I know some of you guys are probably questioning the lug nuts, but it's gonna go with the engine bay theme and all that. It's not neochrome, it's more of like the blue burnt, you know how like the J's Racing titanium exhaust and all that stuff is. So we're gonna kind of go with that type of stuff. Damn. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thanks for Alex for helping a brother out, always chilling, doing all these cool things like Carol Baskin does. The wheels the wheels look so good. Like, I don't know, I think it just suits the car very well. We have small adjustments to make with suspension and all that, and we'll do that in the future, and you guys will see that, and then you'll see the optimal fitment that we want on it. I think it was a very good choice, and I'm really happy with the price and everything that happened. Even the powder coating looks good. FIA Customs in Mississauga, Ontario did them, and they did a really good job. I'm really happy with that. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Later.